dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Hoping all of you had a great start of your day. Well, our today's video is about a little exploration we did around Coimbatore in my last visit. We planned a day outing with family to this off-beat location which I can surely say is a hidden gem. On our way back to Coimbatore, we'll be stopping at this beautiful jungle resort to have some yummy lunch. So hang in there till the end of this video to know about this resort as well. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing content around travel and lifestyle. Please like, share and comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Drive to this place is so beautiful because Western Ghats can never disappoint you. This entire Nilgiri range is mesmerizing and unique in its own way. It was quite a windy and fun drive. It is located in Anaikatti town, which is 30 kilometers from Coimbatore and a perfect spot for day outing. This town is at the exit of Tamil Nadu and entry to Kerala, and we need to take a slight turn here to reach to our destination. Well, I'm talking about Nilgiri Biosphere Nature Park, where you can witness how lovingly they are preserving flora and fauna of Nilgiri Bioreserve, which is India's first bioreserve.
30 रुपीस होता है ना एंट्री अभी बदल गया
क्या बोला था ये 8-9 महीना नहीं था इसलिए 100 कर दिया
100 कर दिया अभी ठीक है चलो हिंदी अच्छा आता है आपको
हाँ हम नेपाल का है
अच्छा आप नेपाल से हैं बढ़िया बढ़िया चलिए फिर हम घूमते
ठीक है
हैं
अच्छा
अंदर
घूम गया था
हाँ जी हाँ जी
There's ample space to park your vehicle, and you heard my conversation about the entry fee. It's actually 50 bucks, but right now they are charging 100 rupees. There's also a nice setup here to play some sports. This park is ideal for a family picnic, a day outing with friends, spend some good quality time here with nature, play games, witness variety of species of trees and plants. It's basically a trail of about 1.2 kilometers and resting spots are available in between this park trail. We spent a couple of hours in the park, played some games, walked around the trail, chit chat, laughed, and it certainly made our day very beautiful. Now we are all super hungry, so let's head towards SR Jungle Resort.
Good that we have come early so crowded now but we got lucky that weather is so good
So SR Jungle Resort is just 5 kilometers from NBNP. Let me quickly share a few facts about this beautiful town. It is a natural habitat of wild elephants, hence the name Anaikatti, which means a group of elephants. And this town is home to the river Firuvani, which is supposedly India's sweetest river. Yay, here we are at this beautiful property. They are huge and they have an amazing setup for a stayover guest. They have variety of rooms, cottages and dormitories which all look so good and makes it a very good spot for vacation. There's a lot to explore in this town. We couldn't do much because of all the pandemic restrictions, but we are happy that we could explore a beautiful nature park and could eat to our heart's content in this resort. So let's go. Well, it is superbly crowded but very well managed. So kudos to the SR Jungle Resort team for such lovely management. I'll be dropping the link of resort in the description box below so that you can check them out. And yes, if you have made it till here in this video, then don't miss watching our return drive, which was the best part of the day because drive was so beautiful. Well, the food was super delicious and their staff was very courteous. Their head chef and manager, they came up to us to talk and to know whether we liked the food or not on such a busy day, which was really a very kind gesture.
What did you like most of this?
This, I think this is payasam.
Correct, ma'am.
Correct, right?
Yeah.
It's made of rice or something.
Semia. It is actually roasted semia. We roast them in like ghee.
Okay.
Dry ghee.
It's semi. I thought it is rice. No.
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 And then we add a little bit of adapradana.
That I know.
Small kind of this is actually Kerala tradition.
Kerala
So
tradition.
we
Okay.
boil them with the milk.
Oh wow. This was the yummiest.
Correct. Then we will add some of the milk, condensed milk, to get that thickening, and then just flavoring and lot of our love.
Oh yeah. Of course. That I can feel it. That I can taste.
All right.
Thank
I
you
hope
so
you
much.
enjoy.
Yeah, we enjoy. Thank you so much for your time.
It's nice. Very happy to have you all here.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
This is my card. Okay. For any further requirements, please do.
Yeah, sure. Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come. Give me the bag. Can I take your bag? Oh my god, wow. Oh, wood change? Okay, can I take this? Oh, so sweet.